Investing in video content for your organization doesn't have to be a risk. You shouldn't feel like you're dumping money in a hole and hoping that it comes out. What you need is a plan. Write down the goal of your video, specifically who you want to reach and what you want them to do. Get really detailed on this. Don't just write down ages and demographics, but write out your audience's hopes and fears, their pain points and their preferences. Next, what do you want them to do? What specific action do you want them to take? To donate? To reach out to your vocation director? The clearer, the better. Now you can use this information to decide what topics and visuals should be included in your video. What would your audience need to see or hear before taking that action? How can you alleviate their fears and inspire their confidence? So if you want them to donate, maybe you need to tell them how the money will be spent. With those essentials in place, you can rest assured that your video will be exactly what your mission needs before you ever spend a dime. Get more mission-driven marketing tips at thinginapot.com and let us help you to grow with video.